one faith. From struggle to victory, Arsenal forever. Walitucheka miaka mingi, wakasema ndoto imekufa, lakini tulisimama imara, tukiwa na tumaini moyoni. Every season brought us lessons. Pain and pressure built the passion. Now the fire burning brighter, victory lifting us higher. Mungu ageuzi hadi, ukivumilia utaona nuru. After every storm and trial comes a brand new miracle. Usikate tamaa ndugu yangu, kila machozi yana mwisho. Stand firm through the hard times, your blessing coming soon. Arsenal victory, tumeshinda mwisho. From struggle to victory, sasa tunaimba leo. Hold the faith, don't give up, one day light will shine. Ukivumilia kwa moyo, Mungu atakujibu. Tulipitia maumivu, lakini moyo haukuchoka. Kwa umoja na maombi, tumeona ushindi leo. Many nights we kept believing, though the road was very heavy. Every setback made us stronger. Now the whole world sing together. When life pushed you to the corner, still remember God is able. Every battle got a reason, every season got a blessing. Victory is coming. Keep believing. No surrender, no retreat. Rise again upon your feet. From the struggle to the win, champions rise again. Simama imara, usiogope. Mungu yupo upande wako. Cheza kwa furaha leo, ushindi umefika. Arsenal, Arsenal, victory tonight. Hands up, everybody, celebrate the light. Arsenal victory, tumeshinda mwisho. From struggle to victory, sasa tunaimba leo. Never lose your faith, my brother, better days are coming. Ukivumilia kwa moyo, baraka zinakuja. One love, one hope, one faith, forever. From struggle to victory. Arsenal victory.